Relax right here. There we go. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Doing our knees and ankles. There we go. Good. Flat on your back. Okay. We're gonna get this top one right here, okay?
Okay.
Nice. Get this other one here real quick. Relax. There you go. Wanna go on your back for me?
Yeah.
Just leave it roll. You don't have to stop. I can clip them out anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Relax right here. There we go. Nice. Ooh, don't move. You okay?
Yeah.
You can hit stop on that one, but that's fine. Right there, dear. Relax that. Good. Flat on your back. It's a little high on you, but this one here is going to move real well. Good. Other side. This is the one that was kind of screwy. We'll get it here real quick. Relax, relax. Nice. Flat on your back. There you go. Big breath. Get this AC joint and out. You okay?
Yeah.
Come on up. There we go. Good. Flat on your back. There you go. One on the table. There you go. One right there. One. There's two. Face this way for me. Don't get your traction in your neck. Coming real close, see? That's gonna be loud. Oh no, that one went too bad. Come on up.